Relax, life just got better. You just found Concord's best kept secret, Mountain View. With breathtaking views of the Mount Diablo Mountains, tropical-style courtyards, and a plethora of lush green spaces throughout our community, we are a perfect choice for nature lovers. Relax and enjoy the views from our sparkling swimming pool, or meander around our serene walking paths. We even provide an on-site clothing care center. The choice is yours at Mountain View. Our selection of studio, 1 and 2 bedroom homes all come complete with a beautifully applianced kitchen, comfortable dining space, generously sized living room, and cozy bedrooms and baths. You'll appreciate the added touches of ceiling fans, carpet and tile floors, and your very own private patio or balcony. With the interstate just moments from your door, the possibilities are endless. All of the area's best shopping, dining, entertainment, and recreation is just minutes away. And with easy access to the BART station, you can get there with ease. For a home you can relax in, the choice is simple. Call or stop by Mountain View today.